Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Gordon Frayne. We are back with an update for Render Network. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below. Hit the subscribe button as well. Make sure to smash the bell notification icon if you want to get notified about future videos. And don't forget to grab your completely free, yes, it's free, copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It's linked below the video as well. In the description, there is a link to grab your completely free copy. Jump down, grab it now, and let's talk about Render, because Render has been pulling back over the past few weeks. Is this a good buying opportunity? Possibly, yes. Again, this is not financial advice, guys, but let's look at what's been going on the chart. We can see here, we had a very nice run up here at the beginning of December. Really, this run up in the aftermath of the election results in the United States here the first week in November, we actually had a run up of about 180% here for the price of Render, going from 420 all the way up to about 1190 during that period of time, a 180% increase in about a 30-day period. So yes, you could argue that after that 180% run up, a small pullback or area of consolidation is necessary, but unfortunately, Render has actually kept moving to the downside, and we broke below the 200-day simple moving average here around the, well, let's see, what date was it? Around the 27th of January. So we broke below that recently, guys, and we're currently sitting below that level. I'm hoping at least that we can consolidate in this area before making another move to the upside over the coming months. I still am quite bullish on everything Render is doing. And again, lots of the speculation that's been coming out around DeepSeek and the cost of exercising compute for different AI models. Ultimately, I think this could be bullish in the long term for protocols like Render. Again, Render is trying to solve the problem of freeing up GPU, making it more cost effective to execute GPU and execute very large computational tasks in a distributed fashion. Again, looking over on their website here, we've looked at this many times on the channel, guys. You can check out the other videos and price predictions for Render. But Render are solving for cloud rendering made easy, secure, and affordable. Again, all of these AI models like ChatGPT, like DeepSeek, they require huge amounts of computational processing, not just for training their models, but for when you and me and everyone is using these different AI SaaS products, they are having to use huge amounts of computational power in order to process all of our requests and prompts and everything that it's computing on the back end to give us these different AI-driven results. And we're moving towards an AI future. Again, this is not something that's unique just to crypto. We're seeing Apple, we're seeing Microsoft, we're seeing NVIDIA, these largest companies in the world, Google, Meta, Facebook, Amazon, all of the largest companies in the entire planet are scrambling right now to try and get a slice of the AI pie. And DeepSeek and all this stuff that's come out over the past week is kind of shaking up the whole industry here for artificial intelligence. But it's an amazing alignment with this macro trend of artificial intelligence in the stock market, with this incredible trend happening in crypto right now with distributed GPU, with AI agents, with protocols like Tau, with all of the stuff happening with ChatGPT. It's amazing to see the combination of those different narratives happening in tandem with the stock market and the biggest companies in the world and everything that's happening in crypto as well. So Render, I think ultimately in the long run, it's going to benefit from the ability for people, companies, and everyone to exercise and run compute at a fraction of the cost that it takes these centralized models to do. Again, you've got to remember, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, all of these AI companies are using centralized servers with AWS, with Microsoft Azure, and all that stuff happening and running on centralized servers is, it's time and cost inefficient, you could argue, to a certain extent. And what Render is trying to do is solve that in a distributed manner by freeing up GPU and executing all of those heavy computational tasks at a fraction of the cost that it takes those centralized servers to do. So again, have they delivered 100% on that promise? I don't think so just yet, but in the long term, again, if we can get to a place where distributed GPU is significantly cheaper than centralized GPU processing that's happening right now for all these AI models, I think Render and many of the other AI tokens in this space do become the winners of this cycle. So again, possibly a good buying opportunity in this zone. Again, this is not financial advice, guys, but on the chart, it looks to me, if we're just going to draw a bit of a parallel channel here, it looks like there is a lot of support in this particular zone. So now that we've kind of come down to this area, I do suspect that even if we do come a little bit further to the downside, we should get bought up in this zone before moving and edging higher with the macro narratives at play here in 2025. I think there is good enough support in this area going all the way back basically from August through November, the very beginning of November in this zone. Lots of good buying pressure that could help us to get bought up in this zone, consolidate further, move higher throughout the course of the year. And again, we have done price predictions on the channel, guys. Let me know down below in the comments, do you want an updated price prediction for Render? Drop a comment, tell me yes, say you want the price prediction. I will run the numbers again, but I do still think there's lots of potential for Render to move to the upside during the course of this year. So again, we did see a nice breakout. Last time we got above the 200 simple day moving average, we got a very big run up in price going from $1.85 all the way up to $13. We managed a nice breakout above the 200 simple day moving average here, but we have retraced and again are consolidating before moving a little bit higher. So I do think, again, it's potentially a good buying opportunity if you can scoop up Render in this $5 area. Again, this is not financial advice, guys. Go ahead, please do your own research. Check out what's happening with Render Network, everything they're doing for distributed GPU on chain. Read the white paper, understand what's happening on the back end. They have moved from an ERC20 token over to the Solana network over the course of the past year because they believe the infrastructure on Solana is what's going to truly allow Render Network to actually scale. Check it out for yourself. Do your own research. As always, today's video is sponsored by Femex, the most efficient crypto trading and investment platform. Check it out for yourself, guys. I'm going to leave a referral link for Femex down below this video. You can also see, of course, Render is available for spot purchasing and trading over here on Femex. Check it out for yourself. Jump on the link below, check it out if you want to. I really don't mind if you use my referral link or not. You can see what's going on. Again, Render sitting at $5.60. Let me know if you want an updated price prediction by dropping a comment below this video. Let me know, are you holding Render and where you think the price of Render is going to as well. As always, guys, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below, hit that subscribe button as well. And if you want to get notified about similar content, smash that bell notification icon. And don't forget to grab your completely free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It's linked below the video, 100% free. Grab it down below while you can, and we'll catch you in the next one.